the white stripes on the ground. Look, the white stripes on the ground.
Yeah.
The dotted stripes.
Okay.
Follow. No? The white stripes, I said to you, no? We have a briefing in the school.
Yeah.
Yeah? The white stripes are very, very important. No? So, and this is sign, it means the triangle with a cross in it. What is meaning? Right before left, no?
Yeah. No, not that.
Right before left. Yeah?
This cross.
This triangle with a cross in it, it means right before left.
Okay.
The cars are coming from right, have the preference.
Okay.
Yeah? Don't stop, drive. Yeah? Look in, let them know that you wait. No? Pay attention, not the close on the right. So, then look forward. The question, is here right before left? Yes and no. Is here right before left? Yes or no?
No.
No. Why?
I think it is on intersection.
Yeah.
Two roads.
And this is a special area, no?
This is the residential area.
Yeah. And that is not right before left. Okay? Then you can go straight ahead, please. So, where do you stop now?
The line.
It gives a line or not?
This before that.
No.
This is a pedestrian zone.
Yeah, but it is not necessary to stop.
Okay.
Nobody there. Yeah?
Okay, but
Is someone there, then you can stop, like this one, no? This guy want to cross now, and then you stop here.
Okay.
But it is not a stop for the stop sign.
Okay.
Yeah, here comes another guy and want to cross.